AI can't replace the human connection crucial to education. The empathy, understanding, and encouragement that teachers offer are irreplaceable. Great teachers inspire, motivate, and connect on a personal level, fostering a sense of belonging and confidence in their students. They are the mentors who shape the future.
Moving on to social work. Social workers provide support in challenging situations. Their empathy and ability to connect are irreplaceable. AI can analyze data but can't replicate compassion and understanding.
Human connection is vital in social work. That's why social work will always be human-centered.
Finally, skilled trades. Automation is changing industries, but skilled trades require human expertise. Jobs like electricians, plumbers, and carpenters need dexterity and problem solving. AI can assist with design and planning, but not hands-on work.
Skilled trades require technical knowledge and practical experience. Human expertise in these fields is irreplaceable. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and interest in our content. As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, some jobs remain uniquely human. These roles cannot be easily replaced by machines or algorithms. These professions rely on the human touch, creativity, and critical thinking. Whether it's in the arts, healthcare, or innovative problem-solving, human skills are irreplaceable. Consider exploring these future-proof and rewarding careers. They offer not only job security, but also personal fulfillment and the opportunity to make a meaningful impact. The future of work is about humans and machines working together in harmony. By leveraging the strengths of both, we can achieve greater efficiency and innovation. Like, comment and subscribe for more insights into the future of work and technology. Stay tuned for more content that explores how we can thrive in this evolving landscape.